I've been sitting on this sofa for ages. I'm feeling a bit cooped up. How about you, Fox?
Cooped? You mean like chickens?
Let's make art. Let's stretch our bodies and brains both at once. Do you remember at the art gallery? We didn't just look at art, we experienced it.
Look, that's us.
The artists got us noticing new things, asking questions about art, giving us surprise feelings, unexpected beauty, confusion or wonder, using our bodies and senses, shaking us awake.
Those people look amazed.
This was when the Govett-Brewster Art Gallery first opened, 50 years ago. The townspeople were so surprised to find out art didn't have to be painting or statues. They walked through the art.
That's called installation art, isn't it? Can we have a go at home, making artworks to shake us awake and get us noticing? A sort of arty obstacle course.
Let's get out of the coop and make a maze. We'll use the art gallery artworks for our ideas. At home, put your imagination on high, then send us photos of what you did.
Rebecca, this could be tricky. I'm a puppet.
You're a puppet.
It's a puzzle for your body. Notice the space around you. Different shapes your body makes. What is your brain thinking? What do you feel like? Sometimes art can happen by noticing the world in a different way. I remember lying on the floor and looking up, or getting really close. Or that time we were led through the gallery with our eyes shut.
Step here. Careful, Fox.
Whoops. It's colder here. Smooth.
Open eyes.
Normally I'm in here wet.
Let's change the way we look. Our point of view.
I felt something happen in my brain just then, Rebecca.
I love surprises in the art gallery. An unexpected feeling or discovery, like finding a gold tree inside. How about the times when the art was confusing? Has that happened to you, Fox?
Yes. I remember being muddled up at first, and then after a while, I realised I had some interesting new ideas. Then other times I felt sad or cross. That wasn't fun. But when we talked about it, and I thought about it a bit more, I did understand some new interesting things.
This one was fun and like being in green trees, but then it had farm things in it, like barbed wire and sheep wool. Surprise!
It's like being in nature, but indoors. Good thing too, 'cause it's raining. Again. Let's go in. I want to make some outdoors, indoors too. Rebecca, it's ready. Come in.
This is fun. I'm a bit squeezed. Maybe a sheet tent would be better for me.